When it comes to skincare, sometimes less is more. Minimalist skincare focuses on using only the most effective, essential products to care for your skin. If you're tired of complicated routines and looking to simplify without sacrificing results, you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing the top 5 best minimal skincare products that promise to deliver results with just a few steps. Let's dive into these skin-saving essentials. Kicking off our list at number 1, Avene Cicalfate Restorative Skin Cream. The Avene Cicalfate Restorative Skin Cream is a must-have for those seeking a multi-purpose, gentle, and soothing skincare product. It's designed to repair and restore irritated or compromised skin, making it ideal for everything from dry patches to post-procedure care. This rich, non-greasy formula is known for its ability to nourish the skin while accelerating the healing process, making it a go-to for sensitive skin. Key features: Avene Cicalfate Cream is formulated with a unique combination of ingredients such as copper and zinc sulfate, which are known to promote skin regeneration. The formula is also enriched with Avene Thermal Spring Water, providing an additional layer of hydration and calming properties. The cream is free from parabens and fragrance, ensuring it's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin types. Benefits and usage: the Cicalfate Restorative Skin Cream is perfect for anyone looking for an all-in-one product that can address a variety of skin concerns. Whether you're dealing with dry patches, redness, or skin irritation, this cream works to restore the skin's natural barrier and soothe inflammation. Simply apply a thin layer to the affected area after cleansing, and you'll notice a reduction in irritation and improved hydration within days. Usability: this product has a thick yet smooth texture that absorbs well into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. It's perfect for those with dry or sensitive skin who need something to calm and hydrate. It can be used daily, both morning and night, or as needed when your skin feels particularly stressed. Durability: the Avene Cicalfate Cream provides long-lasting moisture, keeping your skin soft and protected for hours. The formula is designed to repair and restore the skin's barrier, so with consistent use, your skin will remain hydrated and calm. It's an excellent choice for use after sun exposure or other skin irritations, and the effects last throughout the day or night. In the second spot, we have First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. The First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream is a classic in the world of minimal skincare. This rich, thick cream is formulated to provide immediate and long-lasting relief for dry, distressed skin. Packed with soothing ingredients like colloidal oatmeal, shea butter, and ceramides, it's designed to hydrate, restore, and protect the skin from environmental stressors. This cream is beloved for its simple, effective formula that delivers results fast. Key features: the Ultra Repair Cream is packed with skin-healing ingredients such as colloidal oatmeal, which is known for its ability to soothe itching and irritation. The formula also contains shea butter and ceramides, which help to lock in moisture and support the skin's natural barrier. This cream is free from parabens, sulfates, and fragrances, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: this cream is ideal for anyone looking for a deeply hydrating moisturizer that can tackle dry patches, redness, and irritation. It's perfect for both the face and body, making it a versatile addition to any minimalist skincare routine. Apply it generously after cleansing to lock in moisture and soothe dry or irritated skin. For best results, use it twice daily, morning and night. Usability: the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream has a thick, rich texture that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it soft and hydrated without feeling greasy. It's suitable for all skin types, but is especially beneficial for dry and sensitive skin. The generous jar size means it can be used liberally and lasts for a long time, making it an excellent value for your skincare routine. Durability: this cream provides intense moisture that lasts throughout the day. It helps to repair and restore the skin, ensuring that your skin feels hydrated and nourished for hours. You'll notice a significant improvement in skin texture, and it works as a great base under makeup or as a nighttime treatment. Coming in at number 3 is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Peel. The Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Peel is a two-step at-home chemical peel that delivers professional-grade results in the comfort of your own home. This peel is designed to exfoliate, brighten, and smooth the skin, giving you that fresh, radiant glow without the need for multiple products. The formula contains a blend of alpha and beta hydroxy acids, AHAs, and BHAs, which work to remove dead skin cells and improve skin texture. Key features: the Alpha Beta Peel features a potent combination of AHAs and BHAs, including glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and lactic acid. These ingredients work to gently exfoliate the skin, promoting cell turnover and smoothing rough patches. The peel also contains soothing agents like aloe vera and chamomile to calm the skin and reduce irritation, making it suitable for even those with sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: this two-step treatment is designed to give you an immediate radiance boost, improving skin texture and clarity. Over time, it helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. To use, start with the exfoliating step, step 1, and apply it all over the face. Follow with the neutralizing step, step 2, which balances the skin and calms any irritation. It's recommended to use this peel 2 to 3 times a week for optimal results. Usability: the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Peel is incredibly easy to use, and each step is clearly labeled for convenience. The peel pads are pre-soaked, making the application process simple and mess-free. It's an excellent choice for anyone who wants to incorporate exfoliation into their routine without the need for scrubs or abrasive products. Durability: after using the Alpha Beta Peel, you'll notice smoother, more radiant skin that lasts for days. The results from this peel are cumulative, meaning your skin will continue to improve with regular use. While the peel is strong, it's formulated to be gentle enough for regular use, and over time, it helps to maintain an even, glowing complexion. Taking our 4th spot is Biossance Squalane Plus Vitamin C Rose Oil. The Biossance Squalane Plus Vitamin C Rose Oil is a lightweight yet powerful oil that combines the best of hydration and brightening in one simple formula. This oil is designed to nourish the skin with squalane, a naturally derived moisturizing agent, while the vitamin C works to brighten dark spots and uneven skin tone. It's perfect for those looking for a minimalist way to hydrate and brighten the skin without the need for multiple products. Key features: this facial oil is packed with squalane, a potent ingredient known for its ability to hydrate and lock in moisture. It also contains vitamin C, which helps to brighten the complexion and reduce hyperpigmentation. The addition of rose oil provides a soothing, calming effect on the skin, while the formula remains lightweight and non-greasy, making it suitable for both dry and oily skin types. Benefits and usage: the Biossance Squalane Plus Vitamin C Rose Oil is a versatile product that provides multiple benefits, from hydration to brightening. It helps to improve the skin's texture, leaving it soft, radiant, and glowing. To use, apply a few drops to your face after your serum, either in the morning or at night. It can be used alone or mixed with your favorite moisturizer for added hydration. Usability: this oil has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving a soft, non-greasy finish. It's easy to incorporate into your minimalist skincare routine. Just a few drops are all you need for maximum benefit. The rose scent is subtle and soothing, adding a touch of luxury to your skincare experience. Durability: the Biossance Squalane Plus Vitamin C Rose Oil provides long-lasting hydration and radiance. The effects are visible immediately after application, and with continued use, your skin will look brighter and more even. The oil doesn't clog pores, making it suitable for sensitive and acne-prone skin, and it can be used year-round for healthy, glowing skin. And finally, at number 5, we have Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser. The Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser is a top choice for those with sensitive skin looking for a minimalist yet effective cleanser. This gentle formula is free from common irritants like fragrances, dyes, parabens, and sulfates, making it ideal for anyone with skin sensitivities. It's designed to cleanse without stripping the skin of its natural moisture, leaving it feeling clean, refreshed, and hydrated. Key features: Vanicream's Gentle Facial Cleanser is formulated with a mild, non-foaming formula that cleanses without causing irritation. It's free from harsh ingredients like sulfates, parabens, and fragrances, which makes it ideal for those with sensitive or dry skin. The cleanser contains ingredients that help to maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier, so your skin won't feel tight or dry after use. Benefits and usage. This cleanser is perfect for anyone seeking a gentle yet effective product to remove dirt, oil, and makeup without irritating the skin. It's ideal for daily use, morning and night. Simply apply a small amount to damp skin, gently massage in circular motions, and rinse with lukewarm water. It can be followed by your preferred moisturizer or serum for a complete skincare routine. Usability. The Vanicream Gentle Facial Cleanser has a smooth, creamy texture that glides effortlessly across the skin, providing a mild yet effective cleanse. It's great for all skin types, especially those with sensitive skin or conditions like rosacea. The mild formula ensures that your skin will never feel stripped or tight after use. Durability. This cleanser works gently to maintain the skin's balance, and with regular use, you'll notice your skin feeling clean, hydrated, and healthy. It's suitable for all ages and can be used as part of a minimalist skincare routine for consistent results. It doesn't leave any residue behind, making it perfect for both day and night cleansing. A minimalist skincare routine doesn't mean sacrificing effective results. These 5 products offer powerful, simple solutions for achieving healthy, radiant skin with minimal effort. From hydration to brightening, each product is designed to work harmoniously with your skin's natural needs. Incorporate them into your routine and enjoy smooth, clear skin with just the essentials. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare tips.